Let us look at the solution of exercise 2A of Concise Physics, Selena publication, chapter 2, exercise 2A and question number 15. A body of mass 5 kg moves along a straight line under the action of a variable force from x equal to 0 to x equal to 4 meters. The force acts in the direction of displacement, which means theta is equal to 0 degrees, and the forces increases linearly from 0 to 20 Newton. From x equal to 4 to x equal to 6, the motion of the body reverses, which means your displacement is going to be opposite to the direction of the force, and the force acts in the forward direction. So the force is not reversing the direction, the force is not changing the direction, but the displacement is opposite. From x equal to 6 meter to 10 meter, force becomes negative. So here it means that the force is going to be again negative, and it is opposite to the original direction of motion. Calculate the net work done by the force. In order to understand it properly, you will have to just show a little bit of diagrammatic representation. So let us say that this is your x, this is your force in Newton, like so, this is your y-axis, and this is your origin, and this is your x value. Let us take this as 4, this as 6, and this as 10. So the force is from 0 to 20 it is going. So let us say this is your 20 Newton. So I'm just going to show a dashed line like this. And from 0 to 20 it is increasing, the force is increasing. This is 4 meters. Okay. The work done in this will be your W1, let us say. Then from 4 to 6, from 4 meters to 6 meters, the motion of the body reverses. The force goes forward only, but this like this. And then from 6 to 10, the force becomes negative. So force negative will be here. This will be minus 20 Newton. So it will be now, I'll just take this as the reference line, and till 10. So I'm going to show this vertical line, and I'm going to come like this over here. So this is going to be your second part, and this is your third part. Okay, so if you look at the work done in case 1 is going to be, because it is force against displacement, you will have area of the first triangle, which will be half base into height. That is going to give us half base is 4 and the height is 20 Newton, and that is going to give us W1 as 40 joule. Let us come to W2. For your W2, we will have to take this triangle, because the area between the graph and x-axis, that will give you the value of work done. So half into base. Now remember, this is going to be in the opposite direction, so base is going to be minus 2 and the height is going to be still 20, and that will give us minus 20 joules. Then we come to the third part, that is this one over here. So W3 is going to be area of this triangle over here, which will be again half base into height. Now remember, the body is going this way, so your base is going to be negative. It will be 6 minus 10 multiplied by the height, which is minus 20 Newton, because the force becomes negative. So that becomes half into minus 4 into minus 20. 2 ones and 2 tens. So that will give us minus into minus, that is plus 40 joules. So the total work or the net work done will be W1 plus W2 plus W3. W1 is 40 joules, W2 was minus 20 joules, plus W3 was 40 joules. So that will be 80 minus 20, which will be 60 joules. And that is our answer.